Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use rectangular pattern. Today discuss here rectangular pattern. Okay guys, today CATIA lecture 53 is discussed here, and CATIA all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. And today discuss here rectangular pattern. Okay, at first open a CATIA software interface, and then okay this is our CATIA software interface, and this is a pattern is discussed here. First is rectangular pattern, second is circular pattern, and third is user pattern. Okay, and discuss one by one. Then first is today discuss here rectangular pattern. Okay, and this is all 3D command is not active, and then at first draw any 3D model, and then all 3D command is active, and then use a pattern and discuss here. Okay, at first draw a 2D drawing, then a rectangular drawing, and this rectangular drawing is exit, and use a pad command, and then this 2D drawing is converted into 3D model, and then thickness is 30. Okay, this is a 3D model, and then use all 3D command is active, and then discuss here is pattern. Okay, and this face is select and sketch, draw a circle and exit, and this pad use a pad is a 20 mm. Okay, and this command is a very important, and then all is correct, and then use a rectangular pattern. Okay, I click a rectangular pattern, then this rectangular pattern definition is pop up, and all is you can see here. Okay, this again click here, and at first object select object current solid is this object is select here, and reference element, this reference element is this axis. Okay, and this pattern preview is showing here, and this direction is reverse direction. Okay, and instance means this is a 2, but this is increase the value is 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, this is just showing a preview is okay, and this preview is showing here this is a correct. Okay, and again first direction is clear, and then second direction is use, and then instance, and then reference element is select here, and this axis is select here. Okay, and again this instance is increase this. Okay, this is a increase, and this is a correct. Okay, preview is showing here correct, this is a correct. Okay, all rectangular pattern is used, and then this is a change a material, and this material is select here. Okay, and this material is select here. Okay, this is a good material is correct. Okay, pattern is a command is discussed here, and this is a material is correct. Okay, this material is also Okay, this material is also good, and this material is okay, this is a correct. Okay, this pattern is, this is a correct. This face, back side face is, you can see here, and this face is a correct. Okay, this is a, this body is a correct. Okay, and this isometric view is showing here. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect direction, this is a correct. Okay, in zoom in. Okay, 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 this is a correct. Okay, okay, this pattern is discussed here. And guys, next lecture is coming soon, and rectangular pattern is discussed here, and all pattern is clearly and easily learn here. Okay, I hope you will all basic and advanced is today learn here, and this is very helpful for use any new design create in CATIA software. Then all rectangular pattern is used, and then very useful pattern is discussed here. Okay guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.